Thanks for joining us for this guided meditation. Settle into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Take a deep breath in. Then relax the breath so it falls into a natural rhythm. Let your breathing become relaxed and easy. Relax your face. Relax your jaw. Relax your eyes and temples. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body. You might notice tension or a sense of calm and ease. Letting go of any tension or pressure. Settling into this time and space. Now bringing your attention to where you notice the sensation of breath moving through your body most strongly. Noticing the full movement and rhythm of each breath. Avoid trying to control the breath. If it helps to anchor your attention on the flow of the breath, try saying breathing in as you breathe in and breathing out as you breathe out. From time to time, your mind will wander off. Don't worry when this happens. This is completely normal and allows us the opportunity to bring back our focus, each time strengthening our present state awareness. Letting go of the thought, sensation or feeling that pulled the mind away before returning your focus back to the natural flow of your breathing. And just noticing where the mind is in this moment. Taking a couple of deep, deliberate, slow breaths, just to break the cycle of thinking. Focusing again on the feeling of each breath as it flows in and out. And as we approach the ending of our practice, allow your concentration to rest. If your mind wants to concentrate, allow that to happen. If your mind wants to be distracted, allow that to happen. As you sit in awareness, there's no need to change anything. Nothing else to do. Slowly bringing your attention back to the room. Noticing the sounds around you. Bringing the attention back to the physical contact with the floor. Gently moving your hands and feet. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too, and subscribe for new meditations every week. Before heading on to what you do next, just taking a moment to maintain that mindful awareness.